In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off YouTube ambient mode on desktop. Ambient mode is the subtle glow that extends the colors of the video into the background of the player. It can look great, but if you'd rather have a cleaner, distraction-free view, you can switch it off in just a moment. I'll walk you through the exact steps and give a few tips so you can see the change right away. Start by opening your web browser and going to YouTube. Play any video. If you want a clear before and after, choose something colorful so the glow is easy to spot. Move your mouse over the video so the player controls appear at the bottom. That bar of controls is important because it's how we'll access the setting. Now switch the video to full screen. This part matters. The ambient mode option only shows up when the player is in full screen. Click the full screen icon in the bottom right corner of the player, or press the F key on your keyboard to toggle full screen on and off. Give it a second to expand. Once you're in full screen, move your mouse again to bring the control bar back if it fades. Click the settings gear icon in the player controls. This opens YouTube's quick settings panel over the video. In that panel, look for ambient mode. If you don't see it, double-check that you're still in full screen and that the controls are visible. Sometimes the overlay hides after a moment. Just wiggle the mouse to bring it back. Select ambient mode to open the toggle. You'll see a simple switch to turn the effect on or off. Click the toggle to disable it. The change is immediate. The glowing background around the player will disappear, leaving a neutral, steady backdrop that keeps your focus on the video itself. This is especially helpful when you're working, taking notes, or watching in a dark room where extra glow can be distracting or fatiguing. If you want to turn ambient mode back on later, repeat these same steps. Go full screen, open the settings gear, choose ambient mode, and flip the toggle back on. You can exit full screen anytime by pressing the ES key or by clicking the full screen icon again. That's all there is to it. Open a video, go full screen, click the gear, find ambient mode, and toggle it off. It takes just a few seconds and gives you a viewing experience that fits your preference. If this helped, consider saving these steps so you can quickly switch the effect on or off based on what you're watching